Hey everyone, welcome to our standard room here at the Boardwalk. We have a king size bed. We are near the elevator, which is amazing. On the third floor, so we have a double vanity in the bathroom, which I always appreciate. Glass door shower, really pretty tile in there. Of course, all your amenities. Per usual, great mirror on the back of the door. Love these closets. I stayed here in December and I had a much different room, so this is definitely a renovated, updated room, which is great. Great storage for luggage. Love all the full-length mirrors. Love the clean color scheme of this room, honestly, and the artwork on the walls is really, really pretty. Classic, like vintage Boardwalk. Love that. Little touches everywhere, of course, and the pillows. And of course, look at these curtains. So cool. Love that. Okay, and then we have this really pretty plaid headboard. So I have a king size bed. Standard, you could get a king or you could get two queens. Really, really pretty artwork in here. I love how clean the room feels. There's a lot of space, lots of wide open space. So over here we have the coffee station, the ice box, and here we've got all the stash from making coffee, and then you've got your cooler down there. And then of course we have a balcony, 2 seats. Not much of a view, but that's okay. So, I love the French doors on the balconies here. Really nice. So I have this seafoam green color again, like we saw in the new Caribbean beach rooms. I'm loving the light, bright, clean look. Definitely a great update here at the Boardwalk.